Hello flowers, what's up? Right now OpenClaw is pretty popular and pretty hot. Lots of people are actually rushing, try to install it on their system, and also lots of people are trying to uninstall it after they find OpenClaw is not for them yet. There are like 4 popular ways for people to install OpenClaw for themselves. First is Mac Mini. The reason people install OpenClaw on Mac Mini because the OpenClaw actually works very well with Mac's ecosystem, like Mac's Messenger, Calendar, those kind of tools. And also Mac Mini is very power efficient, energy efficient. If you run OpenClaw 24/7, it actually help you save some energy cost. Second thing, people actually can just get like a PC and install Ubuntu on top of it, which it also works. You can also get actually, like a refurbished like a Mac Mini or PC actually from eBay or those kind of places. And third thing, you can install like an OpenClaw and like Docker container or like virtual machine. The fourth way you can install like an OpenClaw actually is on cloud, like a host center or AWS as a cloud service, which also works. Today I'm going to share with you one of the most easiest way to install OpenClaw that I learned. And also this way is more for people just want to play around, not just want to play around testing out. It's not a long-term solution, I would say. So let's get into it. Let me show you how to build it and have fun with it. Yeah, if you're not going to use OpenClaw a lot and you just want to experiment things out, one of the way I recommend is actually install on GitHub. You can just go to github.com and also create like a new repositories. You just can give a name over here and then switch this to like private. Since I already installed, I'm just going to show the one I installed. Once you go to the GitHub and you have create a repository, you can just click on your repository. I can go to like a code, you'll find it right here, and you can go to your code space. You can create a new code space. And once you're inside your code space, when you reach your terminal, you can just go to the OpenClaw and also copy the installation command over here. And you can just like copy paste. Check it out. Yep. So this will help you and install the OpenClaw on your virtual code space. And then you just like wait for a moment and follow instructions. Yeah, once you right here, you just click follow instruction. Yes, I understand, and then starting the quick start. Right here you have a couple options to select what kind of AI model you want to run. If you have OpenAI model, which is great, you can just like a membership, set up your connect with your membership account. If you're not, you can I recommend Minimax, or Kimi. I think those are good models. Another way I recommend, like you can use like OpenRouter. Right here you can just like OpenRouter, which is has a host of lots of different models. Once you can start, you can create your API key. You can give a name. You can set like credit limits. Make a copy. Right here you just like select the paste. So, and right here you can actually select different like OpenRouter's models. If you come to the OpenRouter's website, you can see you can lots of model to choose. Right here, you can also like search for like free models, and you can just like use any of free model right here. So just one caveat is like for the OpenRouter's free models, they do gonna use your data for the training purpose. So do not use your personal data or your company data for sure. So right here you can just like pick any routers. You can just like copy this, go back to your OpenClaw and set up. You can pick the router you want over here. You can also set up manually over here. Let's see that. And then you set up your Telegram bot. So right here you actually just enter your so you actually go to your bot folder and also just turn on the token you want. So you can skip for now. You don't have the configure skill. You can always configure those later. The hooks, you can select them if you want. And you just wait and So now you have your OpenClaw set up. And you will start like OpenClaw. So as you can see, once I start my gateway, it asks me to like pairing. You just have to copy this last line. You can start a new terminal window and the paste. Here we go, and now your setup is complete, and we can just connect and chat with our models right now. Yep, there you go. That's how we can set up like OpenClaw on the GitHub code space. Definitely, this like is for people who try to play around, experiment things out. If you need like a long-term solution, you can I recommend like other choice I recommended earlier. And also, I don't think OpenClaw is for everyone. You have to figure out what you need for what thing you try to build, what test or problem you try to solve. There are lots of options. You can use actually Cloud Code, which has like a scheduler, loop, lots of codec. They have a similar feature nowadays. And I'm sure also Google will have a similar feature like this pretty soon in the future. So, you don't have to always rush in. There's so much thing to learn and so much thing to, play around and have fun.